Problem number 13, and this is on the same page 890. A company sells boxes of balloons in which the balloons are red, blue and green. Actually they gave as red, green and blue. Luan purchased a box of balloons in which 1/3 of them were red. So red, I'm going to show you a method which will minimize your calculations. So red were 1/3, so I'm simply writing here 1/3 and yet not doing any thing further. If there were half as many green balloons in the box as red ones, now if I assume that total balloons were x, then now I can say that my red balloons were x over 3, and now because I have something to hang on to like a quantity x, I can also write that green balloons must be x over 6. Half of x over 3 is x over 6. And 18 balloons were blue. Now 18 balloons are blue. Now our question is, how many balloons were there in the box? Now if you know that you assume that x were the total number of balloons, x over 3 were red, x over 6 were green and 18 were blue. So when you add all of these, you get x over 3 plus x over 6 plus 18, and this must be equal to x. If you don't want to get involved into solving this, which itself is not very difficult, it's much easier, and I'm going to show that in red ink side by side, to assume that we had, let 6x be equal to total balloons. Balloons is spelled as balloons. Now try to put the data back. Remember, 6x is the total. So 1/3 means 2x is going to be red. Half of that is green, that means x. And 18 are going to be, as usual, your blue balloons. So now you have, when you add all these 3x plus 18 is our total of 6x. This implies that 18 is 3x. This implies that x is 6. But this is a caution, because your total was 6x, hence total required number is 6x is equal to 36. So that is going to be your answer.